What's up, y'all? Good morning. It's gonna be hopefully a good Friday. We got these strong winds coming in once again, so hopefully they're not as bad as they were the other day. But y'all be riding with me, DV, for the first time in a while. I know y'all missed me, but we're about to go dump one in this, deliver in Dallas, head to Frisco, pick one up, dump it at the Louisville landfill, go swap in Richardson, dump that, bring that empty 30 back to the yard, head back to Plano, grab a 40, dump it, bring it back, hop in the Mac, and that's it. Should be a pretty busy day. Hopefully it's not too late, but let's have some fun. Got shit on my Mac, bruh. If I can deliver that 30 yards, start throwing up gang signs. Alright, I'll see y'all later. Yeah, no. How you doing, man? Let's see. See if I don't get blown away by the wind. Oh, wind. Oh, God. Not a boulevard. Same, man. Oh, I like this road. This road is super wide compared to Richardson. Good morning, how you doing? I'm doing good. Oh, snap. Just right back in here? They don't bite, do they? You don't know? Oh, I thought you said I don't know. Like, oh, snap. Oh, shit. Alright. Right in there? Okay, perfect. I got you. I will do that. Thought I was gonna get bit. I'm gonna have to hop this curb to get in here though. Get on the grass a little bit. Nothing but a thing. He's back there videoing me, taking pictures. I'm so good at this shit. Hopefully I can fit through there. Plenty of room to open the back door. Man, as y'all saw in the last video, if I was in the Kenworth, I'd already be gone, but this pow finger hook ain't the fastest. Let me go see. You want it further back or is that's good? Okay. Y'all enjoy y'all's weekend. Perfect. Love it when they say it's perfect. Straight back and down. Looks like a bunch of bags. PTO still got a long ass way to go. He just got a couple bags. I gotta go move this board on this side. Ever since Josh whooped my ass in that race, all I can think about is how slow this shit is now. Is that a shower rod? Put this chain in it. Let's see. Louisville, we going with it. Guys, that's happening this weekend. you. When you come up here and know what they need to know, get your ticket fastest. 59.1. Not one truck is dumping right now. Yeah, so that bitch is easy. And come back. Let's get this shit. Ain't nothing but a G thing, baby. The good old pal finger. We about to swap these two dumpsters, drive all the way back south to Ennis, dump it, go drop the empty 30 off at the office, and then turn around and drive right back up here to Plano for a 40. Oof. A lot of driving. But that's what we do. Oh, they're probably gonna add on, huh? And make that a room or some shit, huh? Come on, go to daddy.
What did he say?
Oh shit, that little dog better watch out before he gets ran over. All bark, no bite. Get on somewhere. Oh, that's his little riding buddy, probably. Oh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. More than I thought. And that shit is wet and stinks. About to pick that other one up and roll it back. But it won't be much, throw it in on top of this. Straight back. Oh yeah. Time to go. We off. Let's go. It looks pretty clear up there. One. Yes, ma'am. You already know.
Don't forget to wear your hard hat while you're back there.
They said something?
They're going to.
Alright. Thank you. Oh, they own one today. 4.41. There she goes. fucking tractor.
That thing looks dry.
Bro, that shit's empty. Show some hardcore skills right here. Do this shit for a living. Shit ain't gonna pull me under it. I hardly got shit in there. Them cable guys couldn't have done that. Them winch guys couldn't have done that. I mean, I could have backed straight underneath it, but easy to just pull it out and, you know, this hook lift system. All right, now Josh told me whenever you're tarping your dumpster, you need to raise your gantry even with your dumpsters. So this 40 yard and this whole international, I'll show y'all what happens. I always try to do what the boss says, so he says it should be even with the dumpster. But that's how this one goes. It's almost even, but not quite so. He said your tarp should lay flat, not like that. But oh shit. That's all she wrote, folks. Let me be a good guy though. Winds are picking up. Don't want the wind to pick this up and fly into this intersection and smack somebody's vehicle, so. Oh shit. Like that. That shit's stuck. Alright, let's roll that. Oh yeah. Straight business. I forgot what the fuck. 40 yards. You already own it. See, look, there she go. There she go. No, truck 3. And a 40 yard. Oh yeah, they opening up now. Okay, baby steps with y'all. Baby steps. Yeah, my dog right there. We're Gucci.
Disrespect me.
When he's slower.
Disrespect my family. You call us stinky poopy babies.
Alright, that's a wrap for today. Lived in North Dallas all day pretty much. Far hour and plus minutes drive. through most of it. So seems like we didn't do a lot, but the driving messes it up. An hour here and an hour there back, then another hour and 15 minutes here. So, but it's all right. But yeah, that's it for today. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Dylan, I was not pissing at the landfill, so don't be on Facebook trying to call me out like that again. But other than that, y'all have a good weekend. It's Friday. It's getting dusty. Here comes the dust storm. So enjoy y'all's weekend. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and smash that notification bell. Until next time.